Hey guys, welcome back to another video here, and today I want to talk about Unity IPO. This is one of my most exciting IPOs coming this year, and the main reason why I like this IPO so much is actually because I'm a frequent user of Unity as a platform. And essentially what Unity is it's a company that focuses on making kind of this software to develop games. It's a platform where you can go on and develop 2D games, 3D games, mobile games, any type of games for any platform that is popular right now, including older platforms and newer platforms that are coming out. And honestly, the main draw to this platform is the fact that it is completely free, and they have a great kind of a community built around this platform and built around making these games. Now, the type of games I personally make are 2D based. I like to do pixel art games, such as like Pokemon, that type of style of art. And I think that that kind of community really can gather around a certain concept. And I think that that's why it makes Unity such a cohesive platform, such an important tool for the people that do make these games, and especially people who use it to make a living. Now, Unity, you can see here that they have another portion of their company where they also sell assets and they do have a store, etc. But I would say that the main portion of their revenue comes from people using this platform, donating, buying their services, etc., and kind of their products and solutions here. So that's why I honestly love their company. They have a lot to offer with their platform. It's not just a platform, it's a community. And that's what kind of pushes other companies such as Apple, Shopify, etc. into this next realm of a company. Instead of just being simply a company focused on one thing, they are a community here. So that's what's key for me in investing into Unity, and what's going to be key for me kind of seeing whether or not they do very well on their opening day is going to be based on their price here. So if we do get into the actual financials of what I'm watching, you can see that the Motley Fool here is saying that Unity's IPO just took a bizarre twist. Now, what this twist is essentially, instead of pricing their company pre-IPO and already having a price decided, they're going to kind of have a bidding war to kind of decide the price. They're going to ask certain investors, like, what would they pay for the company and how many shares are they willing to buy in order to kind of decide what they will open their IPO price at. However, if we do look at other companies that did this also in the past, like Big Commerce, they actually rocketed up 200% on the original day, on the first day of their IPO, because of the fact that people the price was very much lower than what the company was actually worth. And I think that that might be a similar situation to what is going to happen here with Unity IPO. So one of the main reasons also why I like Unity IPO is because if you've been watching the market at all over the last few weeks, you know that tech is absolutely rocketing up. They are the most inflated sector right now, I would say, even compared to banking, I don't know, etc., electric vehicles. I still think that tech is the most inflated sector right now. There's just no roof price for them to stop growing to. And I think that's going to be very helpful here in Unity's IPO and in securing that they do have a great first day on the market and they do rock it up. So I am really watching Unity IPO. They are a software company also, as well as being a tech company, and as well as being kind of a platform, like I said, a community. So that's a lot of things for people to invest in, not just an idea, not just this platform, but also the community, the fact that they are a software and solutions company as well at the same time, and the fact that they are a very successful company in their own right, even before they join on the market. Now, there is a reason why they're joining on the market. Obviously, they want to raise funds in order to do other things here and to continue growing their company into the future, because of the fact that maybe their platform is a free platform, and this probably hurts their business model. However, now that they are going to be on the stock market, they're going to have to hear a lot more ideas from a lot more outside people. And honestly, I think that that can push their company to the next level here and push them into being more of a software and solutions company than they already are, and potentially continue pushing them up into the future. So I really like this company. And if we do make a quick comparison between them and another company that is already on the stock market, EA, you can see that EA recently hit their all-time highs at around $150. So if this company Unity does IPO for the estimated of around 20 to 40, I think in that range somewhere is where they expect to kind of IPO. I do see them having a huge first day and potentially coming up to maybe 40, 50, $60 as a result of the fact that we've seen a lot of IPOs rocket off. Now, there is an index that you can use to find IPOs. There's like an ETF that tracks IPOs, and they've honestly been increasing over the last 3 months just exponentially compared to the last few years of the ticker, where we've actually seen so many IPOs come out and do incredibly well. And I just think that Unity is a company that deserves to do incredibly well because of the fact that they already have this audience behind them. They are a tried and tested product. It's a product that I use on a almost daily basis to make these games, to make this software, etc. And honestly, it's a great platform to use. I'd say one of the easiest platforms to use if you are a beginner in getting into this kind of this industry, this side of game creation. And if you do like this type of stuff, then you know that Unity is the platform for you, the best platform to use. So I really think their IPO is going to do extremely well, especially on the first day. I think there's going to be a lot of hype around this, even though Motley Fool says that the stocks with the most hype, or the IPOs with the most hype, are looking to be this Snowflake and JFrog. I still think that Unity will get a ton of attention as a result of the fact that they are a software company, and that's what the market is really pushing up right now. And the fact that they are a well-known company, Unity, they do a lot more stuff than just this platform. Like I said, they are a software and solutions company, and they also have a community side around them, which is going to be one of the most important factors pushing them up into the future and continuing to make their product excel into the years to come here. So honestly, I would recommend this as an extremely strong buy, especially first day. You're going to see they will have an incredible first day as a result of this special way that they are pricing their IPO. Their company will probably be worth less than what it should be, and that's going to cause a massive explosion of the price on the first day. They will probably have a very, very strong first day. So I can't stress that enough, guys. Do not sleep on this stock. I think it's coming out on the 18th here. We can do a quick search up just to make sure. Unity IPO. And honestly, guys, like I said, this is going to be an incredible IPO. I'm very excited. I don't know if you can hear it in my voice. The 17th of September. So coming on Thursday, we are going to be seeing the IPO of this company. And honestly, I think they will do very well. Like I said, the best thing to do right now is to compare them to EA. Even at EA's lowest minimum price during this economic downturn was sitting at around $80 to $90 here. So that's why I think that Unity, as a minimum of their price, should be around $60 to $70 here, regardless of anything. The market doesn't really trade off of this market cap, this price that they're making, or this amount that they're making of revenue or anything with these IPOs. Instead, they kind of compare it to other companies that are already in the market, such as we saw with Carvana and that other IPO that came out that also was doing something similar. I forgot the name, escapes me. But yeah, guys, just keep a close eye out on this company, on this IPO. I think it's going to be an absolute banger here coming into Thursday. So as always, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.